Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make it so you can see sensitive content on Twitter iPhone, or how to remove the sensitive content thing on Twitter iPhone. First, if I were to go into the Twitter app, as I'm going to be showing you here, as you can see, when I go into privacy and safety, normally there would be one more option if you were to use an Android device right here. But to get that, instead we're going to need to go into Safari. And once in Safari, you're going to type in Twitter desktop. Then you're going to log in. Once you have logged in, you're going to tap on your profile photo in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select settings and privacy right here. Then you're going to select privacy and safety. Then tap on content you see. And as you can see here, compared to in the app, as you can see here, there's one more option which says display media that may contain sensitive content. You're going to tap in that box as you want to tick it to turn it on, and that's it. That's how to change the settings so that you'll be able to see sensitive content on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Hello, welcome to Simple Answers.